Hello friends, welcome to another video where we are going to discuss more than 10,000 plus questions from the book Lucent General Knowledge in one-liners format. This is part 6 of this video lecture series. If you haven't watched the earlier videos, you can check the description. In this class, we are going to discuss Mahajanapadas. So let's start. Question number 315. Which Buddhist literature gives evidence of the names of the 16 Mahajanapadas with minor variations in names? And the correct answer is Anguttara Niyaka and Mahavastu. Question number 316. Which Jain literature text gives evidence of the names of 16 Mahajanapadas? Answer is Bhagavati Sutta. Question number 317. What were the names of 16 Mahajanapadas? And the answer is Anga, Magadha, Vajji, Malla, Kashi, Kosala, Vatsa, Chedi, Kuru, Panchala, Surasena, Matsya, Avanti, Ashmaka, Gandhara, and Kamboja. Question number 318. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Anga. And the correct answer is Champa or Champanagari. Question number 319. Which area of modern India was part of the Anga Empire? And the correct answer is districts of Munger and Bhagalpur in Bihar. Question number 320. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Magadha. And the correct answer is Rajgir during the time of Bimbisara, Patliputra during the time of Udayin and Kala Ashoka, and Vaishali during the time of Shishunaga. Question number 321. Which area of modern India was part of the Magadha Empire? And the correct answer is Patna, Gaya, and Nalanda district in Bihar. Question number 322. Girivraj was the earliest capital of which Mahajanapada? And the correct answer is Magadha. Girivraj was the ancient name of Rajgir. Question number 323. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Vajji. And the correct answer is Videha, Mithila, and Vaishali. Question number 324. Which area of modern India was part of the Vajji Empire? And the correct answer is Muzaffarpur and Vaishali district of Bihar. Question number 325. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada Malla? Answer is Kusinara and Pava. Question number 326. Which area of modern India was part of the Malla Empire? And the correct answer is Deorai, Basti, Gorakhpur, and Siddharth Nagar districts of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 327. What was the capital of Mahajanapada? Kashi. And the correct answer is Varanasi. Question number 328. Which area of modern India was part of the Kashi Empire? And the correct answer is Varanasi district of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 329. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Kosala. For North Kosala, it was Sravasti. For South Kosala, it was Ayodhya. Question number 330. Which area of modern India was part of the Kosala Empire? And the correct answer is Faizabad, Gonda, and Bahraj districts of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 331. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Vatsa. And the correct answer is Kausambi. Question number 332. Which area of the modern India was part of Vatsa Empire? And the correct answer is Allahabad and Mirzapur districts of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 333. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Chedi. And the correct answer is Shaktimati. Question number 334. Shaktimati, the capital of Chedi Mahajanapada, was referred as dash in Pali literature. And the correct answer is Suttivati. Question number 335. Which area of modern India was part of the Chedi Empire? And the correct answer is Bundelkhand area of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Question number 336. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Kuru. And the correct answer is Indraprastha, which is modern Delhi. Question number 337. Which area of modern India was part of the Kuru Empire? And the correct answer is Haryana and Delhi. Question number 338. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Panchala. And the correct answer is for North Panchala it was Ahichhatra. For South Panchala it was Kampala. Question number 339. Which area of modern India was part of Panchala Empire? And the correct answer is Rohilkhand region, which is in western Uttar Pradesh. Question number 340. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Shurasena. And the correct answer is Mathura. Question number 341. Which area of modern India was part of the Surasena Empire? And the correct answer is Braj or Brijbhumi area of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 342. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada? Matsya. And the correct answer is Viratnagar. Question number 343. Which area of modern India was part of Matsya Empire? And the correct answer is areas of Alwar, Bharatpur, and Jaipur in Rajasthan. Question number 344. What was the capital of Mahajanapada? Avanti. And the correct answer is for North Avanti it was Ujjaini, and for South Avanti, it was Mahishmati. Question number 345. Which area of modern India was part of Avanti Empire? And the correct answer is Malwa, which is a region of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. 346. What was the capital of Mahajanapada Ashmaka? And the correct answer is Putana or Patali. 347. Which area of modern India was part of the Ashmaka Empire? And the correct answer is area between Narmada and Godavari River. Question number 348. Dash was the only Mahajanapada situated to the south of the Vindhya range and was in Dakshinapata. And the correct answer is Ashmaka. Question number 349. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada Gandhara? And the correct answer is Takshila and Pushkalavati. Question number 350. Which area was Gandhara Empire a part of? And the correct answer is Western Pakistan and Afghanistan. Question number 351. Pushkalavati was the capital of Dash. And the correct answer is Gandhara. Question number 352. What was the capital of the Mahajanapada Kamboja? And the correct answer is Rajapur or Hataka. Question number 353. Which area was part of the Kamboja Empire? And the correct answer is Pakistan. So from question number 350 and question number 353, we can get to know that Gandhara and Kamboja were the only Mahajanapadas which were outside India. Question number 354, which Mahajanapada was situated on the bank of Yamuna river? And the correct answer is Vatsa. Question number 355, between which river was the ancient town of Takshashila or Takshila located? And the correct answer is Indus and Jhelum. Question number 356, the Mahajanapadas which were monarchical states were? And the answer is Anga, Magadha, Kashi, Kosala, Vatsa, Chedi, Surasena, Matsya, Avanti and Gandhara. Question number 357. The Mahajanapadas which were republican states were? And the correct answer is Vajji, Malla, Kuru, Panchala and Kamboja. So from here we can get to know that majority of the states were monarchical. Question number 358. Which four Mahajanapadas from 6th century onwards struggled for political supremacy? And the correct answer is Magadha, Kosala, Vatsa and Avanti. So you can memorize it by MKVA, that is Magadha, Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti. Question number 359. Which Mahajanapada emerged as the most powerful kingdom? And the correct answer is Magadha. Question number 360. Was iron known in this period? And the correct answer is yes. Magadha Empire used it first for making weapons. Question number 361. Which Mahajanapada for the first time used elephants on a large scale in its war against its neighbors? And the correct answer is Magadha. This is the end of lesson, guys. In the next lesson, we will be learning about the dynasties associated with Mahajanapadas. Thank you.